Welcome to this onboarding program. We are excited to have you join us. It is not new anymore that the world is a global village. What is constantly changing is how technology have brought boundaries closer. And in most cases, boundaries no longer exist between continents and between countries. We are indeed truly and highly global citizens. But now, more than ever, the requirement for global citizenship is simple, yet competitive. Simple because of access to information, complex and competitive because of the same access to information. The latter is so because, unfortunately, not all information informs. This program was developed to raise change agents, leaders who will innovatively transform their environments with data-driven decisions. This program will equip you with the much needed technical and workplace skills to excel as change agents. As citizens of this global village, the process that transforms you will be transparent. We will begin to celebrate you from day one. You will also remember to follow our adopted kaizen principles for incremental growth. We have several years of experience in data analytics and talent development and have developed these through several research and implementation tests. As stated in the internship roadmap, this isn't another internship, but your accelerator. We analyzed engagements and hiring requirements and have put together technical and workplace skills innovatively to help you drive career growth. We believe strongly in God's grace, and this grace will sustain you. As we welcome you to our Way to Power Communications, it is highly crucial that you get to know about us, who we are, and what we do. Welcome once more to this onboarding session. At our Way to Power Communication, we empower success through innovation, strategy, and creative excellence. We deliver innovative solutions to meet the ever-evolving needs of today's business and individuals. We are a team that solves real business problems using data. We help businesses understand their customers, optimize operations. We do this by turning numbers into insights. At the core of our operations is the belief that technology creativity, and strategy converge to drive meaningful outcomes. We simply help you stand out, sustain growth, and success in your industry. Now, to the goal of the internship. Our goal here is to equip you with end-to-end expertise in data analytics and business intelligence through immersive, real-world projects, enabling you to master technical tools, automate workflows, and solve high-impact business problems, and transition seamlessly into data-driven roles. Our objectives include to build foundational proficiency. Our interns, which you are now one, will develop expertise in data manipulation using Excel, Power Query, SQL, and workplace tools like Jira, Confluence, and ClickUp as well. Secondly, you will learn how to use advanced automation and analytics. You will master Python for data analysis, workflow automation, and cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services to deliver scalable business intelligence solutions. Thirdly, you will specialize in industry domains because we understand that not all interns want to go with the generic data analytics drive. So interns will solve complex problems in marketing, operations, and finance using advanced analytics, that is machine learning, time series forecasting, as well as cloud data pipelines. Then you will deliver a capstone project. The goal here is that interns will design, deploy, and monitor a production-grade analytics solution aligned with business key performance indicators. This objective is so unique because it allows you showcase your strengths specifically tailored to your selected domain. Then, last but not the least, interns will then achieve job readiness. By this time, you must have refined your portfolio, optimize your LinkedIn and resume, and then hone interview skills for roles in data analytics, business intelligence, or cloud engineering. So if you're just joining us, we have covered the goal of the internship, and we've now looked at the objectives of the internship. Our objective is simple, 5 of them, but broad enough to ensure that you get the best benefits out of this internship program. Remember, the first is that you will build foundational proficiency in data analytics and business intelligence tools. The second is that you learn how to use automation, right, in your analytics. The third is that you pick a specialization, and we are working with 3 specializations. We are working with marketing, operations, or finance. So whichever you want to specialize, we will go ahead and develop your skills in that area. After that, you are going to deliver a capstone project, then achieve job readiness. So, what are the technical skills that will be covered? The technical skills that will be covered during your 1-year internship program will include Excel, Power Query, SQL, Power BI, and Python. That is for the data tools. For the cloud and automation, you'll be looking at Amazon's Web Services, S3, Glue, Lambda, Redshift. They will be also working with GitHub, right? And learning API integrations as well. Then for the advanced analytics, we'll be studying machine learning, that is focusing on regression and clustering, time series analysis and forecasting using Prophet, geospatial analysis, and anomaly detection. For visualization, we'll be looking at interactive dashboards, heat maps, ArcGIS maps, executive storytelling, that is in PowerPoint and Power BI. Now, if you look at these technical skills, you will realize that these skills are not covered in your everyday data analytics training. So it's important to remember that we want to make change agents who are committed to making data-driven decisions and changing their environments through their contributions. All right, so now let us head on to the workplace skills that will be covered. For the workplace skills, we'll be covering project management, specifically centering on agile sprint planning, JIRA ticketing documentation or ticket documentation, root cause analysis, and Confluence, okay? Now, for every project that will be undertaken during your internship, you will utilize the project management approach, specifically going through the Scrum framework or Scrum cycle. You'll also be learning communication, and the skills within that communication will include stakeholder email drafting. And within the stakeholder email drafting, it will be great for you to remember that you will also be taught who stakeholders are, what are their contributions to a project success, how to take briefs, right? And what are the elements to look for in a brief, how to avoid scope creep, right? And how to avoid scope changing through the life cycle of the project, right? And how to adapt that using your agile framework. Secondly, you will be learning how to write executive summaries, technical reports, and presentations as well. Then the third skill will be collaboration. And collaboration skills you will learn through peer-to-peer code reviews, because if you take a look at the internship calendar that was shared with you via the email, you will see a long list of projects that have been categorized into phases. We have 4 phases. These phases will with several goals. Through these phases, your projects will be reviewed, most of which will be peer reviews. So you will also learn how to incorporate feedback. Thankfully, you will learn this through our kaizen approach for incremental growth. You will also learn how to work with cross-functional teams, because